Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try Krusty's gluten-free cornbread. We would try it. I don't know. Let's try it. If you want to see it, if you want to see me make it, just stick around and I don't know, we'll make it together. All right? Sounds good? All right? Come on. So, let's see. I don't know. What do we need? We need to heat the oven. Then what does it say? Alright, we need 1 cup of milk. Now I am dairy free and I'm gluten free. So we're going to use almond milk and then a 1/3 cup vegetable oil and 1 egg. Let me get all that out and then I'll come back. Okay, so let's see, what does it say? I'm going to make 2 packages because 1 is just not going to be enough. It's like ridiculous to try to have 1 in my house. You know, we're going to eat them like crazy. So, all right. So I'm going to double the recipe. And we'll see how it goes. I preheated the oven to 375. And now it says to grease the pan. So we're going to do that. This is like Filippo Barrel extra virgin olive oil. That's what I use. Put that all over. Let's see. All right, that's all greased. All right, next, what does it say? All right, I need 1 cup of milk. Put this aside. 1 cup of milk. So 2 cups are gonna go. One, 2. Okay, and that's what I'm using. Almond Breeze almond milk original. I don't know. That's what we use in the house. It's good. It's really good. I always cook with that. What else? A 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. So we're gonna double it. One. I know I could have used just the other measuring cup, but I'd rather just do it this way to be safe. 2. Okay. Hi, Luna. Luna's hanging out with me. Are you inspecting? My cat. I don't know if you can see her, but if you can, she's there. All right, let's see. It says 1 egg. So that means 2. I am going to do probably 3 and 2 yolks. Because I don't like the smell of the yolk when you cook it. I think it smells disgusting. So I am going to do 2 yolks and 1 egg white. So, yeah, this way we make that it's like extra moist. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, so let's beat them. All right, I think that's enough. Let's add it to the mixture. Alrighty. It says to stir together the milk, the eggs, the oil, and the mix. So let's do that. So how's everybody doing? I know I've been like baking like crazy, cooking like crazy. There's nothing else to do, you know, because of what's going on in the world. So yeah, I think I put on like that quarantine 15. I don't know How are you guys doing? Are you guys like gaining weight? What's going on with you guys? I know I'm going crazy, just sitting here doing nothing. I'm getting better at baking though. Alright, let's mix some of this. I'm gonna end up wearing this, I know it. It'll either puff up. Get in there. That's one. Mix. So yeah, so I am baking a lot more since I am not going anywhere. So I wasn't really a good baker at all. I liked cooking. I am not a good baker. So we're learning how to do this more and more since I've been in the house. And I don't know. Second day. And since, you know, we have food allergies in the house, I figure why not try all these different products? See how they are. See if they're delicious or not. Let's see. Let's see if I drop it all over the freaking floor. Last bit. If I don't wear this, I'll be definitely impressed that it doesn't go all over the place. Because I know usually I end up looking like I just came out of like a bakery when I'm baking. Alright, this is really thick. Hopefully my spoon won't break. I can't use this. This is terrible. Let's change your spoon. I like this. I got this at Dollar Tree. $1 and I love it. Alright. I'm going to taste it. I know, don't have a stroke. See, it's not sweet enough for me. I think we should add some sugar. I'm thinking 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of sugar. That's what I'm thinking. All right, so here we go. 3 tablespoons. Is this a friggin' tablespoon? No, that's a teaspoon. Let's get out the big guns. The shovel. If you guys watch my other ones, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my other videos. You'll see what I'm talking about. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Sounds good to me. All right. Let's mix this puppy up and get it into the pan. Mix, mix, mix. See, look, it's like so thick. Look. All right, let's get it into the pan. Now my pan is greased, I greased it. If you hear tick, 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 it's my dog. My dog walking around running after my cat. Chasing my cat. Barking at my cat. Real life. That's what this is. It's real life with the crazy house over here. All right. Let's throw this in the sink. Throw that in the sink. Make this all even. What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, right, so I am going to put this in the oven. All right, I'm thinking, I think it says 30 minutes. Okay, so let's see what they look like now. I'm gonna open up the oven and we'll check them out. Is it done? Looks like it's dry. It's done! They look so good. Let's take them out. Hopefully I won't drop this. Oh my God, that looks so good. All right, so let's cut into them. Let's see what they look like. I let them cool down. Ooh. They feel very moist. See? 3 eggs. I find it just so much easier to make them like this. And then you wrap them up. And then you take them out whenever you want them. I freeze them. There we go. Let's try it. All right, so let's try a piece. No. Come on. Let's put it over here. All right, let's try a piece. Look, it comes right out of the pan. It ain't even sticking to the pan. That's a good sign. I don't know. It looks kind of moist. Look, all nice and smushy. No, it springs back. So I'm thinking this is going to be delicious. Let's try it. Oh my God. It's so moist. This is so good. This came out amazing. I would recommend it to anybody that's gluten-free. Totally. See, now I like mine with butter on it. Earth Balance butter. It's like putting icing on it. You just don't even understand. I am going in on this. Oh my God, this is amazing. It is amazing. This came out really good. So good. See, I like it with the butter. My grandma, when she used to make them, the corn muffins, we used to like slather them with butter and make sure it was like really thick. It was so good. It has been, I think, like, I would say a good 15 years since I've had cornbread. So this hit the spot. Well, I hope you enjoyed cooking with me, baking with me, whatever you want to call this. I hope you enjoyed baking with me. And I'll come back and I'll do some more. Tell me what you want me to make. I'll try anything. Like, I'll try whatever. You want to try gluten-free stuff? I'll buy gluten-free stuff. We'll try it. We'll try it all together. I'll figure out if it's good or if it's not so good. I don't care. Let's whip it up, throw it in the oven, throw it on the stove. Let's do whatever we got to do. We'll try it out. Well, thank you so much for coming. Have a good day and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like me. And and we'll do some more videos. Leave me a comment down below. Oh, and if anything that I've used in the kitchen you want to know, it's in the description box below. I have everything that I use in my kitchen in the description box below. All the products, they're all linked there. So go down, check them out. Have a great day, great night. Bye.